Alright guys, this is my 2007 40i. Developed some sort of knocking noise. I can't be exactly sure if it's an engine knock or things like that. It doesn't sound like time, or it doesn't sound like chain guides, but trying to figure out where the sound is coming from. Kind of sounds like it's coming from I don't know, I want to say it's coming from maybe like the lower end of the engine, maybe lower back. If you guys can hear it, I'm going to try to get closer. Again, like I said, I can only hear the noise when it's warm. So I'm not exactly sure what that would mean as far as just hearing the noise when it's warm. So yeah.